It's me, Cookie Monster.
And I'm Chef Gong. And we are
Monster Foodies.
Foodies. Help us make delicious snacks in our foodie truck.
For all our friends on Sesame Street. What do you want to make? Go ahead, tap the food you want to make. Oscar's mushroom and pineapple pizza. Yummy order.
For this recipe, we'll need pizza dough, tomato sauce, cheese, pineapple, and mushrooms. Oh no, looks like we're missing mushroom. Come on, we gotta go get some more.
To the mushroom farm. Come on, let's drive to the mushroom farm. Tap to start driving.
Ow, Cookie. We're going to get mushroom. We're here at the mushroom farm.
Collect the
Yay, you got one.
more Okay, we got the mushrooms. To make mushroom and pineapple pizza, first roll out dough. Uh-oh, this is starting to look like cookie.
Now spread the tomato sauce.
Oh, yeah. Now sprinkle cheese.
Make sure to get it all over. Then chop the
Cowabunga! Next, chop.
chop, choppity chop. Then I'll put it into the oven to bake. Gong time. Go. It's ready.
Now it's time to send to Oscar. Order of
Oscar, it's pizza time. What shall we make now?
Go ahead, tap the food you want to make. Bert's oatmeal with blueberries. Oh, that's a good idea.
For this recipe, we'll need oats, water, blueberries, honey, and cinnamon. Oh no, looks like we're missing blueberry. Come on, we gotta go get some more to the blueberry farm.
We on our way to get blueberry. We on our way to get blueberry.
We're here at the blueberry farm.
Collect more blueberries.
Yay, you got one. There's another blueberry. Time to cook.
To make oatmeal with yep. Then some water. Next, mix together.
Stir. Now I will take it and cook it up.
Next, add honey. Oh, yeah.
Then the blueberry.
Yep. And last but not least, sprinkle cinnamon on top.
Gong time. Go ahead. Tap to go. It's ready.
Now it's time to send to Bert.
Launch the catapult.
Hot oatmeal with blueberries coming at ya, Bert. What do you want to make next? Go ahead, tap the food you want to make. Elmo's peanut butter, banana, and honey sandwich. Sound tasty.
For this recipe, we'll need bread, peanut butter, banana, and honey.
Uh-oh, look like we're missing honey.
Come on, we gotta go get some more to the honeybee farm.
We on our way to get honey.
Whoa, Cookie Monster, pay attention to the road. We're going to the honeybee farm. We're here at the honeybee farm.
Honey comes from a honeycomb made by bees. Tap to collect the honey.
Yay, you got one.
You a good collector.
There's another
Thank you, bees.
time to cook.
To make peanut butter, banana, and honey sandwich.
Make sure to get it all over.
Then peel the banana.
Next,
Cowabunga! Now add the honey. Oh, yeah.
and last but not least, I will put the bread on top. Gong the gong. Go ahead. Tap. It's ready.
Now it's time to send to order up. Enjoy your sandwich, Elmo.
What shall we make now?
Go ahead, tap the food you want to make. Big Bird's cornbread. Sound tasty.
For this recipe, we'll need flour, corn, eggs, sugar, salt, baking powder, milk, and oil.
Uh-oh, look like we're missing egg.
Come on, we gotta go get some more to the farm.
We on our way to the farm. We on our way to get egg.
We're here at the farm.
Collect the eggs. Go ahead, tap. You a good collector.
There's another
Thank you, Miss Chicken.
time to cook.
To make cornbread, first put flour in bowl. Yep.
Now we shuck the corn.
Then put corn in bowl.
Next, add head.
Then add sugar.
And a little bit of salt.
Next, add some baking. Yep.
Now add some milk.
Then add yep. Mix it all together. That good mixing.
Then I put it into the oven to bake. Gong time. Go ahead. Tap. It's ready.
Now it's time to send to Big Bird.
Launch the catapult.
Here comes some cornbread, Big Bird. What do you want to make next? Go ahead, Abby's apple pie. Yummy order.
For this recipe, we'll need flour, water, butter, salt, apples, sugar, and cinnamon. Oh no! Looks like we're missing cinnamon. Come on! We gotta go get some more!
To the forest.
We're going to the forest! We're going to get cinnamon! We're here at the forest!
Cinnamon comes from tree bark. Tap the trees to collect the cinnamon. More cinnamon.
There's another cinnamon!
More.
Time to cook!
To make apple pie, first,
Now add water
then add some, yep.
and a little bit of salt. Then we mix. Stir, 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 stir.
Next, roll out dough.
Roll, roll, roll your dough. Now
Cowabunga! Then add sugar. Yep.
and cinnamon. Next, I'll put the dough on top and then bake. Gong the gong. Go ahead. Tap. It's ready.
Now it's time to send to Abby.
Launch the catapult. Abby, you got some apple pie coming. What shall we make now?
Rosita's tacos. Yummy order.
For this recipe, we'll need tortillas, beans, tomatoes, onions, and cheese.
Uh-oh, look like we're missing onion.
Come on, we gotta go get some more. To the farm. We're going to get onion. Ow, ow, Cookie.
We on our way to get onion.
We're here at the farm.
Collect the